One person, he don't get wound, they for hospital, now for inside Douala here for some other accident where it happened for that side, so for Texaco Areoport. Now this morning time, we go talk palava so for inside Douala here, as well one person today for hospital. Now after we, according to people them for that side for market for Fambu, they say Kamamburu people them, they can knock some one my way, the carry cargo, put them for moto, and come on cargo them for that side, so for market for Fampu, now for inside Douala here. We go talk that Tori, plus other Tori where they for inside Tori for this afternoon. We get problem for water. Jombe people that never see correct water for drink for plenty time now. Now so too we go show now with amateur image how Avenue Kennedy it be there for overnight after we plenty rain. It throw away for that side, so for Yawende. Tori Subway newspaper people that talk we go bring this afternoon. Big part talk, it tell we say waiting, say them no the give invite for Langaman for big Ngando way it dey happen. I say they no the give invite for Langaman for any Ngando way it dey pass. Now Didier Matuke, it dey for that side for Limbe, but Matron Kombi, it dey for University for Boyaside like Workman. Now he send with big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon. We glad for meet up una for chapter 2 for Tori for number 2 day for inside the week. We go begin to read this afternoon na for palava for accident. We take una go for roads for Texaco Areoport. Na for inside Douala here. Na for day way another motorway carry container for his skin. He make accident. He carry 2 motor then so for his skin. He run with them. The first motor na the motor in number that LTTRU. Na the motor this way he carry that container country people them. This red motor na the first motor that way he carry and run. Now the first motor this waiting be own number country people make we go down small. We go see the number wahala center 84862 country people them. Now in that now so this one he own accident he pass. Apart from this red motor where this motor he carry another one too way show paper na the taxi to the motor he granny for road fine. I say the motor granam. But lucky say the 5 people there they be there inside this motor. No man he no die. Now the taxi own number that Littoral 711 GZ. You understand? Now the taxi that way the Chakara also now for Newtown for that side for Texaco Areoport where this one he pass. 5 people they be there inside that taxi. 1 man he foot he broke. Police people then say they become for day one time for see as well they fit come out this motorway he make this accident. Now so chapter for waiting country people. Chapter for overrun. I say waiting. Chapter for overrun for inside Douala here. Now for Sika why that way that accident for that side so for Texaco Areoport as well they call it pass this early morning time. We go take una with this amateur photo image for that morning time. We go take una with this amateur photo image for that side so for Yawende for tell na as well Avenue Kennedy everyday. Yes, Avenue Kennedy for overnight. Na different thing. I say waiting. Na different thing we see for Avenue Kennedy for overnight. Make we enter for inside the image for Avenue Kennedy. Now what are that? Plenty water way it throw away when na Papa God rather than they ever thought say when plenty rain fall. Na Papa God the angel they the peace. Na lie. That one na just talk. Now over there way 4 yesterday for inside the Yawende. Avenue Kennedy ebiton na other can see how way water enter for inside motor them. Now photo them na image them way they so person says way be there for that place where accident or the water be the throw away. He says be just the pass the phone on top. He pass the phone, it takes small image. Now for tell you the condition where Avenue Kennedy be there overnight. See Okada man, it be there like say they na for inside some small river Wuri remix. Yes, all motor them enter for inside water. The only motor there they be feel for turn up the water. Now the one the way they hire for up. All other small motor them. The pass now for inside that water, for that side, so for Avenue Kennedy. Inside Douala here, Nouvelle Route 7e. Now for they will the enter now so. They see some die body. Die body where you don't start. You see no? All man na nose cover. And I will tell say all man die body don't numb. I say all man be the cover na nose. Now inside the motor, where the die body be there inside. Now that way they open motor, all man, it the only go spy the look die body. It is spy the look die body. Now who die and how you manage enter for inside there? Person wey drive the motor can keep am for day. He talk say that way be drive motor can bring am all place it be dey lock. Drive the motor can keep am for day. He talk say that way be drive motor can bring am all place it be dey lock. He no sabi how we die man money enter for him motor. Police people then say for number 7 district station. Them say they enter for inside the chapter for start make investigate. First investigate we hear na say the man in name na Victor. Na plumber man. He dey comot for that side for Grand Moulin. He can't dream him for that side for 7e. How Imani die? How Imani enter for inside that motor? Now the big question that other people they ask am. Time when they meet up with that body, they say they like say they be tie hand for back. So who do am? Population for Nouvelle Route 7e. Then say they stand up, they look place. They say now which kind of story this way they happen? Now which kind of thing this way it happen for inside Douala? After they say make they carry their body, they say no. If no be na army rescue unit, na council people them. So. Family people then say they come. They come for can check and then say they help people there for identify the man. They say na plumber man. Yes, plumber man. Now, question whether they ask him, how Imani die? How Imani enter for inside that motor? When man wey drive motor keep am for day, he talk say all door they be dey lock. Now they investigate that. Where police people they don't start make now for sabi how we all that thing e pass. Our ear dey for ground. We enter for market for Fampu. Now for central market for inside Douala here. Since morning time, store they don't lock. Yes, since this morning time, store for that market they don't lock. Now population that don't turn up for outside. Now population that it don't turn up for outside. And gate for enter for that market it lock. All the gate they don't lock up. Now for Sika say overnight for enter for that market it lock. All the gate they don't lock up. Now for Sika say overnight, they say they can't carry cargo then come out for some woman in moto. Instead of the 60 carton, they thief 8. So the woman go carry Kamamburu people then bring them for quarter. He can knock picking them for inside quarter. So tell him make and people with the vest come out. The morning time they want enter for market. Now way police people they say they can't enter for inside. They lock gates. They lock all store them. They talk say make no man in a place. It no open. Yes. Say make no man in a place no open. Even the population they ask us say waiting them do. Where Kamamburu people they go enter right for inside quarter for can knock deep picking them. One person there for hospital as well they talk so for year. One person where na so the woman will be get binet. Now you go call Kamamburu they enter for that quarter where the boy them where they carry them for inside motor when they come. May they come up for outside. So the Kamamburu man people them they knock so they make and that boy they can't disturb market. So as well they talk market for Fampu people there they sabi the place how fee for Fampu day for central market side they hold that place it they lock for Sika say population for that boy they carry them cargo them come up for outside motor carry cargo them put them for inside motor they don't vex they one can chakara the market the money time they one can chakara so they don't talk say market it no go open now so police people they make investigate Jandan people then too they don't enter for me investigate. One person they say they for hospital. Even woman say when a cargo it be lost for inside the place. They say 8 carton for 2 bring am in lost for inside the place. It too it dey for police station. It the answer question. But now so one person it dey for hospital where they say na Kamamburu knock and sote. Now why that way the market is not open today? The market not open. We be go for inside this place for Kasala Farm. First person who will be talk with him now, Oga Sylvester. Now he be president for the market. First person who will be talk with am na Oga Sylvester. Na he be president for the market people dem. Make we hear as wey e tell we the tori wetin wey e pass overnight and this early morning time.
Yesterday, we 6 o'clock. So woman come in the market. You mean 60 carton. They can open up the magazine. 8 carton. Some people they challenge. They can't go and know. I give money time. I just say military people them. The people can just say for net. I not see them.
So now your market big lock. They open them again.
Yeah, open up. See, open up. After meeting, market open up.
Yes, so after meeting market go open, na so too we go meet up big man, third class chief, when na SSF in the Lukoda quarter for Kasala farm. We try for us His Royal Majesty Semen. Say make a tell we, wetin he don't do like a chief for inside that quarter. Make we hear.
For night around 1 o'clock, they don't call me for phone. Say some army, them been some kind of 3 or 4 military, they enter for quarter. The blue door move some boys, they begin knocking. Ask them for they tell me all my youth for quarter they come out. All we join, we come down army, they run. They run, don't carry the person for hospital. I think for now, this they find established. For my own way I will do how I get for call my patron when I Jew. I call you, I tell you what don't happen for that. You know, say for this kind of time, so people with the army, with the gun, army with the gun, enter for quarter. So I get for signal for my patron, I don't tell him. So you don't send enter for quarter. So I get for signal for my patron, I don't tell him. So you don't send gendarme, they don't come, they open enquête, they see him.
Yes, so now chief that for that side for Kasala farm where this palaver happen this early morning time. As we talk for now, one person, one of the boy the way they carry cargo them, put them for motor and come out them, a day for hospital. After they say Kamamburu people they enter, broke it down, Naki so a day for hospital for site for Lakentini according to what they tell we. We go take una go for Mongo division for Njombe side. Population no get water. Yes, Jombe people them they no get water for drink. Water in no day. Now town this from Jombe country people them. Now Jombe this when you see Jombe all thing in the waka fine. But they talk say water na it be life. If you no drink water, you will drink waiting. Population they suffer. Place where the people they wash. Now the same place where people they can't carry water for go drink, water where they go use and cook chop. Yes. So the population in the vex plenty said they no get water for inside Jombe. Some they talk say it don't be 1 year. Other they talk say na 2 months. But population they cry. Where tap they don't dry. Even 1 eye water, you know they come out. Now for inside a house or now for a place where all man they carry am. No nothing, no they come out. So population from Jombe, all man in the struggle for go see away if he carry drinking water. But Sabi say the drinking water they go carry am for that place. They say they give them sick. They dey shit blood. They dey do this. They dey piss blood. Typhoid. All things. They don't enter for their skin. So they dey beg now say make people there from Jombe side. Now Oga Mayor or now Oga Dio. People the way they get a borehole. They don't dig their own. One time. And they decide their water. Yes. They decide borehole. They don't dig their own. One time. And they decide their water. Yes. They decide water. You see how people they don't line up now? They don't turn up for line. If your time is reach where they get for lock the tap, they go lock and they go there. So if you no can early, forget. See population where they don't come for can carry water. 21st century for Cameroon. Cameroon, you know, see get where they talk say basic commodity, basic necessity, social amenity. When a thing with normal. All man e get for enjoyer. You know they make we let population say blow their fire with their mop.
Water for year we will suffer for water because water for sineno the commot But that one water no dey, all man dey go na from Boale. That one from Boale, the GVC, typhoid, paludism, can all the time you do drink, you the sheen abroad, you the piece begin there, the piece broad. Jombe plenty, and a fountain another from Jombe. If I say you go from Boale, I tell you go from Boale. Every day na for doctor. What you begin there, what you use yourself.
Na 2 months this, all day for suffer. All day for purpose suffer, where mommy is there for suffer, we are picking all we there for suffer because water no day. Go carry water from Boale. Boale na some river. We there for we from Jombe, other one at down there. Now water where people do wash inside, and now water where you don't find. People don't build house all around that river. They don't dig land tree all around. Water for that land tree go down inside that water, and that water which is drink, and that water they wash it, and that water you all to it after people is sick.
Yes, now people themselves for that side from Jombe, they don't use their mob for blow their fire for palava water we know them for plenty time now. So make we take on a discover some village inside Douala here where they call them same Bongo. That village where they call them same Bongo. Some village inside Douala here where they call them same Bongo. That village where they call them same Bongo. Country people them. That village says plenty thing there for inside that village where they no get. Yes, plenty thing the day where village e no get. Make we enter for inside the Torim. We take una for this place where they call them same Bongo. Now for inside Douala here where we say we enter for inside. The town or na the village e dey na for road for go for a day ya when the side. Fuel station no dey dey. Place where they fit carry fuel. Yes, place where they fit carry fuel no dey. Now only this Zouazua. Now this Zouazua. Now where they sell am. Now that. You see no? Water no dey. I say waiting. Water too e no dey. Light e no dey. So population for government high school Batibo empty. No man no dey there again. Yes, government high school for Batibo empty. No man in no dey there. If we enter for inside the Tori, we talk the chapter. Now Batibo ties. Government technical high school. As on this year. No man no dey there. Classroom be quiet. All chair then they get na only dust on top. Place na grass. Door them padlock e dey there. Place na grass. Door them padlock e dey there. Place grass or water. Some class they open. Last time when they teach speaking them 2016. Mami dey try for tell we say for Sika Kamamburu people they enter for day. And all the country they do they happen gone the way they hear poor. Pikin them say they begin mind for go school. No man in no one go school. So for Sika that one. Now according to Mami, pikin they no one go to school again. Pikin they no one go school. They say they go away don't they holla. And all they go town and wait they happen for the country Sunday. It dey make canteen they be hard for the people them. Even fee self where they nang damba for day. The fee is a place where if you put your trap for day, you catch a ground beef, you chop quiet. Yes, the place you don't be in a place where if you put your ground beef. See, all place now only doors. Now so we machine that where they get for teach speaking the number 25 day for inside number 1 moon 2018. Now the last time that where they teach speaking them for inside government technical high school for Batibo. Now for tell we say for true. Nothing no the pass. Nothing no the pass. Yes, nothing no the pass. Some more time, they go talk say, ambassador don't talk say. Na image they talk no ambassador. Make we take our special report, our special story, inside Pidgin News. Waka for Douala reach Bafusam or for Fumban any side. make we waka. We go waka small small, we go for that side. For inside motor. Now for tell una say motor, even as they say na 70-seater. 70-seater no dey. I say waiting, 70-seater e no dey. Na 100-seater. Una see motor no? Middle place. When normal people they no get for shidon, they don't put a gallon for day. People they shidon for day. Una see no? And when they reach for place day, people they shidon for day. Una see no? And when they reach for place where they get for give money or they get for show identity card, now motorboy want to go show identity card, they enter, motor continue for waka. So it means say all deal with police and for road they do work or they need to do work. Now inside motor that someone the day where they turn up, someone the day where they don't put them gallons so make they shit down for day. It means say do one day they chop na money and money where they pay them now only driver one na motorboy they control no. Yes, now only them two. Now so they make and carry over people them go make accident. When they finish make accident, they go talk say they be the control them. See am now then that gallon. They don't fill up for the whole place. Instead for 70-seater now 100-seater. Better they for just put the name say 100-seater than for just say na 70 people there. They get for enter inside the motor. Yes, now so they did do am. And they were watching and say we Kamamburu people that will give them heart plenty. We will trust them plenty. They say they know they do work. They say they need to even control the motor there. When they come up for years so direct, they go back for sir. When they reach for place wey control dey, motorboy come out, he go make control one. He enter, motor continue for waka. Una dey keep na our own life dem for danger. Minister for transport. Na you with the show the tori o. Do special control. Many people they know the thief. Cameroon professional ndamba. If you don't pass, but the one way pass for bamboo tools. Now come and see. Make we see the image for bamboo tool side. When I see am, oh boy, carry water some moment come off for free. Now the free they do as well. After match, they don't fit us men ndamba stop small. For sika plenty rain for fee for charm. Now the free say take a foot. It dey wash water, push water for corner. Now the kind condition this way with the learn with the knack ndamba. We sabi say for true, they now the kind condition this way with the learn with the knack ndamba. We sabi say for true, they the fix we place the way they fit knack ndamba for country. But they cannot suffer. Cameroon Professional Football League, as we they call them. It means say the ndamba don't go for before no. But I see the place where the so knack ndamba. Water. Poto. Water for all side, water turn up for all place. So then a referee says, they carry foot, they throw water for outside. And the player then says, as well they like the way they do. They go so knock damba no. Namba mutus and asher than damba this for that side for senior just for charm. It be worry. Rain if fall, they be end damba for some half time. Then after they thought okay, maybe the fee and send damba fee up. See referee for that side. Referee the struggle for see whether the fee come out water. Then the main referee says, he checks so they say okay, make the nang damba. So all man he play na rainbow. Now so they call it no. Now rainbow where they knock and also for that side for Senajet. So as well they don't lock plenty of we feed them for Sika man damba for 2019. Now so too we go continue for the CD kind of thing there. Yes, our boy they will continue for the nang damba. Now for the kind of place. So till they fix all the feed them. You understand? So we will blame who? We go blame who? No ask me. Me I no get answer for talk. Yes, no get answer for talk. Now to read them that way, we make am for now for this afternoon. Newspaper then say they get their own talk. The median a day for outside today. I say waiting. The median a day for outside today. Strong number for inside the median. Popo, it don't open number 5 military place for inside Cameroon. For Sika the Magumago, they happen for Norwest and Southwest. So for inside the median, they say